Hey there, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you something called templates. Templates are really useful if you're doing kind of the same thing each day, or it's a particular setup on your spreadsheet that is very, very common. It's so that you don't have to keep setting it up each time you need it. So the one I tend to do is like headers and footers that are already set up, maybe like a page setup, maybe a heading, maybe you can use it for submission forms or something like that. Okay, so we're going to do something that's kind of made up. So I'm going to do a, let's say, orientation landscape. Let's add some headers and footers. And if you're interested in learning about headers and footers and how to set it up, check out my video on it, which goes for like, I think 3 or 4 minutes or something. And it's a must. You really got to learn how to do headers and footers because tracking is absolutely important. So each time I have new analysts I need to train up, these are usually some of the first things I do and teach them to make sure that they can actually track the information they produce, because we produce a lot. Okay, so we do that. I'm going to say title right here. I'm going to say body, and then here we'll say close. Okay, and we'll make these quite large. So let's go like so. Let's just do format painter on that one. Format painter on that one. So let's just say that's our example, right? So what you do is you go file, you go save as. Let's go on this PC, more options, right? So we're going to save it somewhere. And as soon as I set this to template, so where is it? Excel template right here. It should take me to the location of where all the office templates are. As you can see, the destination has changed now. And I'm going to call this JED submission form. Okay, for example, we're going to go save that and we're going to go ahead and close it. Now let's say I'm going to start a new Excel spreadsheet. All right, and I'm going to go file and I'm going to go new. In the new features, right, there's actually a lot of presets that you can make use of. I personally don't use very much of this. I tend to build things from scratch, right? But what you'll find is if I go to custom, you'll see your submission form here. And when you open it up, it's always going to remember your setup, right? And you can keep reusing this form and saves you a lot of time because you don't have to build it each time. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time.